Your PayPal link usually refers to paypal.me. A personalized URL, paypal.me/yourname, for easy payments. Click on Friends or Customers, enter an amount, and pay instantly. 1. Create paypal.me first time. Go to paypal.me, log in, or sign up free. Choose a username, for example your name or business name. Add profile photo, optional. Create link. Your link, paypal.me/yourname, one per account, can't change later. 2. Request specific amount, optional. Add /amount to the end, paypal.me/yourname/50, request 50, or /50 USD for currency. 3. Share the link, copy from PayPal Me dashboard or profile, pay and get paid, PayPal. Me. Send via text, email, social media, bio, invoice, or website. Recipients click, enter amount, if not preset, pay, no PayPal account needed for cards.